Hey, come here. I want to show you something.
What is that? A COVID test?
Yeah, today we're going to learn about ELISAs.
What does that have to do with a COVID test?
1 second, man. I'm getting to it. ELISAs, or enzyme-linked immunosorbent assays, are a type of test used to diagnose diseases. They use an antigen to see if the matching antibodies are in your system and tell you if you have the disease.
Dude, that's like way too many words. Like antigens? What is that? A bad guy from Transformers?
You're kind of right, actually.
What?
But instead of wanting to beat up Optimus Prime, the antigens want to beat up your body. You see, antigens are little markers found on nasty things that want to hurt you, like viruses, bacteria, and other foreign particles. These antigens tell our body that something nasty is in our system and that it needs to make antibodies to take them out.
Wow.
I know, right? It's a pretty neat process, actually. Your body has these little things called B cells. They make antibodies that fight off the antigens and help heal you from being sick. In fact, every disease you get has its own specific antibodies that your body makes, specially tailor-made.
Okay, I still don't get how this relates to a COVID test though.
I'm getting to it. This COVID test is an example of an ELISA. You know how you collect the sample and test it against the control?
Yeah, when you stick a Q-tip up your nose and poke your brain.
What? No. Who told you that? Anyways, your nose and the back of your throat are easily accessible places where the virus could be, which is why we use those areas to collect a sample for the test.
So you put your snot or spit on the test and it tells you if you have the bad guys in your body?
Not quite. It actually tells you if you have the good guys in your body.
What?
That's right. All COVID tests have little samples of COVID antigens in them. If you have COVID antibodies that react with the COVID antigens, that means you have or have recently had COVID. That's what ELISAs are, testing to see if you have antibodies in your system and therefore have or had a disease. Neat, right?
I want to see if I have COVID.
Do you want to take the test?
It's positive! It's positive!
Calm down.
I'm not sick though. How can it say that I have COVID?
Well, have you had it in the past?
Yeah. My entire house got a case last month. We were vaccinated though, so it wasn't too bad.
That explains it. The tests are based on antibodies, remember? You might have gotten over the sickness, but those little guys will stay and fight for months, sometimes over a year. Don't worry though. If you want a test that'll give you a surefire answer, you'd always do a PCR.
What's that?
That's for another video.